Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go. Ever feel nervous speaking English in a store? What if you forget the words? Don't worry. In this video, you will learn all the key phrases you need for a successful shopping trip. Stay with us and listen carefully to the story of Maria's shopping day. Maria walks down a sunny street toward a large clothing store. Maria enters the store and a friendly shop worker named Leo says hello. Leo asks, "Can I help you find anything today?" Maria replies, "I am just looking for now." When you are just looking, it means you want to see what is in the store before you decide to buy. Maria sees a nice blue dress on a rack. Maria takes the dress off the hanger. Maria asks Leo, "Excuse me, do you have this in a medium size?" When you ask, "Do you have this in," you are asking for a different size or color. Leo says, "Let me check in the back." Leo will be right back. Leo returns with the dress. "Here you are." The fitting rooms are over there. A fitting room is a small room where you can try on clothes to see if the clothes fit. Maria tries on the dress in the fitting room. The dress fits Maria very well. Maria comes out and asks Leo, "What do you think? Does the dress look good on me?" You can ask, "Does it look good on me?" when you want someone's opinion on your clothes. Leo smiles and says, "The dress looks great." The dress is very nice on you. Maria decides to buy the dress. Maria takes the dress to the counter to pay. The counter or checkout is the place in the store where you pay for your things. Another shop worker named Sam scans the dress tag. Sam says, "That will be $49.99. Maria asks, "How can I pay?" Does the store take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? Is how you ask if you can pay with a card instead of cash. Sam says, "Yes, the store takes credit cards." Would you like a receipt? A receipt is the paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Maria says, "Yes, please." Maria pays with the card and takes the bag. Sam says, "Here is your receipt. Have a good day." Maria smiles and says, "Thank you. Goodbye." Maria walks out of the store happily, holding the new bag. The word purchase is another word for something you have bought. Learning these simple words can make your shopping trip easy. Try the words next time you go shopping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.